Hi everyone! In this video, we say hi to Mika. I got new Crocs and some charms, and I made an animatic. Enjoy! Let's look at a few poses and make a few more. There's free templates on the internet that you can drag into Procreate, free storyboard templates. Basically, he sees an egg and bops around it until it cracks open after he pecks at it with his beak. The next thing I do is I print the storyboards so that I could refer back to them while I'm animating. All done. Time to get out my color erase pencil. I don't have an animation table anymore. I sold it years ago. So I made this makeshift registration thingy with the plexiglass and two little mini bulldog clips. And it does just about the same thing. Just have to make sure your papers are all lined up before clipping them in. So I started by laying out the scene. I wasn't too happy with this rendition of Bird Ball, so I went back into my poses and I traced one of my original drawings. My favorite part, flipping pages and seeing the animation come to life. The reason we can see movement is because of the way our eyes work. It's called the persistence of vision. See what happens when you try to take a break? The manager comes and inspects your work. Hi, Mika. She's so cute. Off to the scanner with my first set of keys. Next, I brought the drawings into ToonSquid as an image sequence, just to try out the timing. I had to rotate every single image because it was scanned in portrait-wise. Once they were in the right orientation, I was ready to play with their timing. You could either touch extend to extend the timing of a key, or you could just drag its little blue slider. And here was the first run. Break time! And here they are. Let's just take them all out and see. Wow. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a whole bunch of them out.
That's cool.
But there's a few of them I don't recognize. I think he's from Angry Birds. I just love these charms. They're so colorful and they're a work of art and they stimulate me. So this is how I have them set up now. There and there. in the drawing so that when I scan them in again, they'll be easier to separate from their white background, because I don't know how to preserve the transparency right from the scan. If you don't have a light table, you can use your window. If you're unsure, always flip back and forth between pages to make sure that you see the image and it's moving the way it should. I brought the images into Procreate so that I could remove their white background and stack them, because I don't know how to remove the white background if possible in ToonSquid. In Procreate, you just select the white background with automatic selection and you erase the white with a big eraser. I'd bring in the sound bite, and it would only bring in the audio if I put it underneath the other clip. Here I'm just finding the sound of the knocking sound, the tapping sound, cutting it and matching it to the picture where he taps with his finger or his feather. To be precise, just use the sound wave, and where the wave peaks, just put it right where the picture is. I repeated the same process for the rest of the sound effects.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Cheep cheep. Cheep cheep. Beep beep.
And remember, if I can make a simple animatic, then
And you can too.